हम उसका इंतज़ार कर कर के थक गए थे। हम चल चल कर थक गए हैं। वो आज काम कर कर के थक गया है। वो खेल कर कर के थक गया है। इन जुमलों के लिए इंग्लिश का जो स्ट्रक्चर यूज होता है, इसको सीखने के बाद आप भी ऐसे जुमले बआसानी इंग्लिश में बोलने और लिखने के काबिल हो जाएंगे। आफ्टर लर्निंग दिस एडवांस इंग्लिश sentence structure, you will be able to speak such as sentences in your everyday conversation. So watch this video till the end and subscribe to English Peers for more advanced English sentence structure. Have a look. Complete structure: subject plus helping verb plus tied of plus verb plus ing plus other words. आगे डिटेल से समझाता हूँ मिसालों से. Let's see some example for better understanding. हम उसका इंतज़ार कर कर के थक गए थे. डेली लाइफ का कॉमन सेंटेंस है जो हम रोज़ बोलते या सुनते हैं. We were tired of waiting for him. We were tired of waiting for him. Next example for better understanding. हम चल चल कर थक गए हैं. We are tired of walking. We are tired of walking. वो आज काम कर कर के थक गया है. He is tired of working today. He is tired of working today. अच्छी तरह समझने के लिए कुछ मज़ीद मिसालें देखते हैं. Let's see some more examples for better understanding. Keep this point in your mind that advanced English sentence structure is very important for spoken English that can take you from basic to advanced level. So learn and practice this advanced English sentence structure as much as possible so that you can gain fluency which could be useful for your academic career. Next example. वो खेल कर कर के थक गया है. He is tired of playing. He is tired of playing. Next example for better understanding. मैं तुम्हें समझा समझा कर थक गया हूँ. I am tired of making you understand. I am tired of making you understand. Next example for better understanding. मैं उसकी बातें सुन सुन कर थक गया था. I was tired of listening to her talk. I was tired of listening to her talk. और आखिर में ये सेंटेंस आपके लिए कमेंट सेक्शन में इसका जवाब ज़रूर देना. As I told you before that advanced English sentence structure is very important for spoken English that can take you from basic to advanced level. So learn and practice this advanced English sentence structure as much as possible so that you can gain fluency which could be useful for your academic career. वो रो रो कर थक गई है. वो रो रो कर थक गई है. Subscribe English Peers for more advanced English sentence structure. Thanks, man.